From all across America and around the world, people are drawn to Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Some come for top-notch education, some for business and research, some for sports entertainment, and some are coming home. Just 2 miles from the center of campus lies Horace Williams Airport. For almost 80 years, the airport played a vital role in serving Chapel Hill, the university, the state of North Carolina, and the aviation industry nationwide. Closed in 2018, Horace Williams Airport remains intact and possesses immense potential to be the general aviation gateway to Chapel Hill, building on its storied past with a focus on the future. In 2023, the nearest general aviation airport is nearly 30 miles away in Sanford or Burlington, and a drive to RDU can take as long as 55 minutes. Conversely, Horace Williams Airport is less than a 10-minute drive from the Old Well and is accessible by Chapel Hill Transit. Horace Williams Airport's location is so optimal it is the most convenient general aviation airport to over 500,000 people in the Research Triangle. Reinstituting the airport will ease congestion from local roads and will encourage more people to fly in, upholding North Carolina's motto of first in flight. Previously, Horace Williams Airport was used primarily for flight training, university transportation, and recreation. The new airport will operate with the needs of the future in mind. Boeing predicts North America will need over 120,000 pilots by 2041. Horace Williams Airport will resume its role as a center for flight training, producing these pilots our country needs. Without airports like Horace Williams creating the next generation of pilots, cancellations and crew-related delays at RDU and airports nationwide will continue to increase. A new purpose for the airport will be in developing the advanced air mobility sector. NASA and the FAA are working with private companies to revolutionize air transportation with the use of electric air taxis. These aircraft will sustainably and quietly connect people and cargo with communities previously unserved or underserved by aviation. The airport will also continue traditional aviation transportation service through privately owned aircraft or Part 135 charter operations. UNC Air Operations will have the option to return to the airport it called home for over 40 years. This will decrease their operating costs and commuting times compared to their current base at RDU. The new Horace Williams Airport will be a shining beacon of innovation and technology in Chapel Hill, operating safely and serving its community in a relevant, responsible manner. In its current state, the airport property is approximately 80 acres, consisting of a 4,000-foot runway, an FBO building and adjacent trailer, parking for 30 vehicles, over 15,000 square feet of hangar space across 5 hangars, fuel tanks for avgas and Jet A, and 24 tie-down spots. In order to resume operations, the existing buildings will need structural inspections, most paved surfaces will need repair or replacement, the weather station will need to be reinstalled, and the FAA will need to certify the new airport. Once the commitment to reopening is made, there are several options of what to do with the property. Several modifications are possible to make Horace Williams a world-class facility that UNC will be proud to call its own. First, the runway will be reduced from 4,000 feet to 3,600 feet, limiting larger and louder planes from flying over nearby communities. This will also reduce repaving costs by 10%. Second, a parallel taxiway can be constructed, allowing for more efficient use of the runway and reducing noise by eliminating turnarounds for back taxiing. Third, up to 7 rows of private hangars can be constructed, providing places for aviation classrooms and maintenance facilities, as well as producing income for the university. These hangars can be equipped with solar panels, making Horace Williams a green airport. The cost of opening a new airport will vary on how many of these modifications are selected. Current estimates range from $5 to $15 million, depending on the condition of the existing structures and the extent of the airport's expansion. When the dust is settled, Chapel Hill will have a new airport, an appropriate welcome to the Research Triangle and UNC, Carolina's priceless gem.